I heard Chris got his start harvesting fish gravel from a stream behind his house.
Fish gravel? You mean the little pebbles in fish tanks?
Not just any pebbles, these clean fish tanks.
Better than any other gravel on the market. Chris was so successful, he even had to expand his operation
to the ocean, harvesting gravel on a massive scale. He is getting so popular.
He's flying to celebrity mansions, riding on yachts with
world leaders. Everyone wants Chris and his fish gravel. He even gets calls from
Nebraska. He's even getting calls from TV networks. He's on the first season of
Deadliest Catch. He almost lost his leg in a crab trap. Got a really nasty scar. And then he commanded an entire fleet of pirates.
No, not pirates, pilots. He commanded an entire fleet of pilots.
Oh, there he is. The most dangerous man to ever sail the seven seas.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. What?